Hey guys, Kelechi Oka here, and here's my Camon 12 Pro unboxing and honest review. This video is a positive add-up to the other available videos, and it won't sound so good if I don't contribute as well to the Camon 12 Pro. So please kindly stick to the end of this video. You'll probably get an information that will help in making a purchase decision. And please kindly hit on that subscribe button. Your support is the life of this channel, and it will be massively appreciated. Turn the post notification on so you'll be alerted anytime I upload a new video. In my Camon 12 Pro box, I have the warranty card, SIM ejector tool, the phone manual with the Google Assistant card, a film protector for the screen, a silicone case for the back of the phone, and here's my Camon 12 Pro device. Let me put it aside. A 5-volt charger adapter, earphone, and a micro USB charging cable. Depending on the available light and the angle at which you view the phone, its body is a glossy blend of purple and green with a tinge of blue. The body feels a little like firm plastic, and the colors makes it stand out subtly. On the right side is the power button and the volume locker keys. On the left side is a SIM tray that contains a dual nano SIM, a micro SD card expansion slot, and a dedicated Google Assistant button. At the bottom is a speaker grill, a noise cancelling microphone, the earphone jack, micro USB charging port. At the back is a triple camera setup, a quad flash, no fingerprint on the back, and the Tecno branding. The front is a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, a water drop notch that houses the 32-megapixel camera shutter, in-display fingerprint sensor, and protecting the screen from scratch or break is a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 with 2.5D curved display. This phone weighs 164.4 grams. So here are a few things I've discovered about the Tecno Camon series. First, the Camon smartphones have been a lifesaver for affordable phone users in the world today, mostly Africans. They offer value for money and performs all your daily tasks. And the second thing is they are known for their great camera quality experience and a bit of classic designs. So if your reason for buying or getting a new phone will be for its camera, then Tecno Camon 12 is what you should think on. This phone is priced at 64,000 Naira and looks almost identical as the Phantom 9. It is the successor of the Camon 11 Pro with a premium design, gradient glossy body which highlights its extraordinary looks unlike the other devices in the series. This phone is designed to modern standard with a smooth rounded corners and a bezel-less screen. The slim and alluring Camon 12 Pro comes with a 6.4 AMOLED display touchscreen with HD Plus display resolution. If you haven't known, this phone is incredibly light and thin with slim screen, but weighs enough to fit perfectly in the palm without being dropped. The fingerprint sensor has been moved from the back of the phone. Now you're able to unlock your Camon 12 Pro when you light up your phone and move your finger on the in-display fingerprint area. 360-degree seamless unlock, more convenient, interactive design and more integrated appearance. The Camon 12 Pro's 6.4-inch screen display is quite larger than its predecessor. This is courtesy of the bezel-less design which has now become the order of the day in the phone tech world. It comes with an outstanding 91% H-to-H ratio and offers a wide horizon. The display sports 19.5:9 aspect ratio, which is the trendy screen ratio in the technology market now. The viewing angles are so great. If you're watching online videos or your favorite movie, you're greeted with a HD resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels with about 403 ppi and produces over 16 million unsaturated display color. The camera of the 12 Pro is not a letdown. The Camon series are known for their exceptional good camera. The Pro is a camera-centric device with a better upgrade compared to its predecessor. This phone gives more in smartphone camera with its triple AI sensors comprising of 16-megapixel main sensor which focuses on the AI scene detection and AI high dynamic range covering various scenarios and offering corresponding AI optimization. a 2-megapixel depth sensor which features a remarkable bokeh effect highlight. The main portrait and blurs background sundry makes the best visual sense. And lastly, the 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens which brings 120 degrees super wide angle shots and 2cm extreme macro photo experience. The triple camera combination gives you an ultra shot by its Super AI Max performance. The front camera makes a perfect choice for selfie lovers. 32-megapixel selfie camera is situated in the U-shaped notch cutout. The camera is built on a 4-in-1 technology and mosaic algorithm which makes photo much brighter and clearer. A dual flashlight which are hidden on the screen offering fill light in low light scenarios to take more glamorous shots. The camera beauty mode has been upgraded with the 3D stereoscopic facial beauty to make your selfie more natural and charming. Check closely, the images produced from this phone is detailed with decent and good high dynamic range. Share your thoughts on what you think of its image production. Navigating through the 6GB RAM and a 64GB storage space, it felt easy and freeze-free. Powered by a MediaTek MT6762 Helio P22 chipset that is designed for mid-range devices, with 4 Cortex-A53 clocked at 2.0 GHz and 1.8 GHz, an octa-core processor and a PowerVR GE8320 GPU graphics, which enhances a smooth performance and perfect gaming experience. 5.5 high OS clean version on top Android 9 Pie, providing several innovative and easy to use features to step up your mobile experience. Really makes it fast. Not to mention the special red Google Assistant button that allows you to connect to Google Voice Assistant with just one click and help you solve problems more intelligently. This phone brings a brand new user experience and it's friendly. It doesn't end with the 64GB storage. You can expand up to 256GB via micro SD card expansion slot. In this phone is a 3500 mAh battery capacity. Well, this is where I thought the company would have done a big step up here. If you check all the Camon series, there is none up to like 4000 to 500 mAh capacity, which I thought Tecno would have included in this device. But don't be turned off. It supports fast charging technology and is strong enough to take you a full day doing everything. But there are a lot of Bluetooth and ads popping up at different times on the device. Unlike other Tecno phones, it's more like a constant, and I think Tecno should do something to improve it. But not to worry, there's an option to stop them annoying ads from showing up. So here's my conclusion and my honest verdict on the Tecno Camon 12 Pro. This phone takes the lead in the Camon series, beating the rest to a favorable camera prowess. The glossy finish makes it smooth to touch and the eye-catching appearance makes it stand out from the crowd. The camera and its images are unimaginably clear and impressive. What really stood out for me with the 12 Pro is its selfie prowess and the 6GB performance that never freezed in my usage time. Multitasking is absolutely smooth and the viewing angle is undoubtedly colorful. Like I said earlier, if your reason for buying or getting a phone is for its camera strength, you could as well choose the Tecno Camon 12 Pro. And if you're opting for an upgrade or a change, try turning your attention towards the 12 Pro. It's good and recommendable. At 64K, it's a good budget for selfie lovers and gamers. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it can help in making a purchase decision. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and I'm most grateful, and I'll see you in the next video. Kelechi Yoka.